What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D, man, and welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, got Betty White in storage mode right now, man, and we finna get active. You already know. I'm finna make some upgrades to it. Right now, man, we finna go ahead and get this motor on top dead center, so I can pull this distributor out. And after we pull this distributor out, whoo! Tired already, y'all. I ain't really did nothing. But after we pull this distributor out, man, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing locked out and tear this thing down, man. I'm gonna tear it apart. Anastasia, you know what I mean? She gonna be my help today. You know what I mean? Got my mother-in-law in the building. She gonna do busy exercising.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? So while she get her exercise on, I'm getting my workout on in a different way. You know what I mean? Look at the calf leg. Look out, I'm on my tippy toes. You know what I mean? 1, 2. You know what I mean? Legs burning already. Reaching over this car. But I can't even see that screw. I might get that let me get that two-step stool so I can see what's going on here. Right now, man, I'm just taking the spark plugs and loose, man. We get the wife in the inside. Oh, Phillips. Get the wife in the inside, man, so we gonna bump the motor. Hopefully, you know what I mean, I keep my fingers at the end of this joint. You did. She pretty good with bumping the motor, man. You know what I mean? She get a little nervous. She be in there shaking like this and she be doing it though. That's how it goes. Hold on. Be a lot of arguments happening after turning this car over, but I'm excited, man, if you can't tell. Today, I got some header wrap coming. So I plan on taking the new headers out, and we're gonna get them wrapped, and then I don't know, man. I may get the energy on going ahead and sawzall the pipes off. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff to do, but I don't know. But we're gonna see, man. But before we get started, man, you already know what you gotta do for a butt. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops that's coming out. You did, so let's get at it. Let's take this cap off. Alright, cap off. We good, huh? Alright, assistant. You know what I mean? You ready?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you heard, that this is going to be the straw that breaks the camel's back. There's the straw. And there's the camel.
Dang, I got to be the camel though? Dang, I love around here, boy. I already knew you was pointing at me. Yeah, man.
Y'all gonna hear the camel yell in just a minute.
Say cheese, and then she getting in here, y'all, what I was saying on her shoe. Yeah, all that dirt.
I told y'all they was the camel.
Daryl, I can't help us in the garage. I just got in the car.
That's why I said don't get in the car with
You did
your
not
shoes
say
on.
that. You did not say that.
There's the camel.
This whole time.
There's the camel.
Good. Yeah. Now I got the vacuum man. Give me a quick bump. That's too long. That's not a bump. Too long. Don't hold the key like that. That's a bump. Okay, go ahead. Give me a bump. She got me nervous now. Oh Lord, boy. Alright, come on. Bump. Bump. Hold on. Wait. That joint got a sparky, man.
It does. I was gonna tell you, I didn't know if you noticed it. When you was doing it, it was really sparking.
All these joints sparky. Here. That's that good spark. That's that good spark, y'all. Oh! I don't want to see. It's coming off of? That's not plugged.
It looked
Oh,
like
well, no. Well, that's gonna give a spark because of this.
Oh, okay, because it looked like it's coming from this the black wire.
No, it's gonna give us spark because of this. Once I could unplug this. Alright, bump. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. 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 Alright. You can see, man, is right now is at the number 1. It's still pointing at the number 1. You know what I mean? So we on TDC right there. Man, you could probably hear that air kind of squeeze out of there. So you're good. Now I'm gonna have my wife hold it. Go on, get out now. You know you're nervous. Alright. Dang, that right there bothering me. Alright, cool. So we on TDC, man. So with that being said, man, we gonna pull that distributor with no problem. You did. So then when I put it in, it's gonna be like blah, blah. It's gonna be back in normal. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say fire that up. Yeah, you know how we do with them G-Lock. Man, fire that thing up, so ain't that right? Yeah, she don't know nothing about that dance move, man. So anyways, come on over here, man. Let me take this thing out real quick. But we're gonna get this distributor locked out. So, what kind of pro me into doing this, man? When I got up with J Malcolm, as you saw in one of the vids, we had a nice little talk. You scared, man?
Oh yeah.
Why you scared?
I saw that spark.
You know what that is? You know where that come from?
Mm-mm.
So the carburetor is hooked up to positive too.
Okay.
Because of actually, with that being said, let's go and take this battery apart.
Okay. So that was a spark.
So yeah, because the carburetor is still hooked up for the choke, and not accidentally touched it with that, what you call it. So let's go and take that off. But anywho, what was I saying, man? So the reason why I want to pull this distributor out, because after getting up with J Malcolm, he told me that I needed to lock this distributor out because it is on a mechanical. It's mechanical. What is it? It's not a. There's not a vacuum, a regular vacuum. It's on a mechanical vacuum. So, with that being said, I'm going to lock it out. That way we can make sure our RPM, not our RPMs, but our timing, we can get it 34 degrees worth of timing through the entire timing curve. Scared, Anastasia? You was scared when you was bumping it. You was like, I remember this. You started smiling. I saw you smiling in that thing.
You got more keys on it. You got more stuff on your keychain.
What that mean?
So how I'm trying to do is your keys are heavy because they're dangling.
Oh, they doing what?
They're dangling.
Say it again. Cause they dangling. Cause they dangling. Ma, that's your daughter. You know what I mean? Alright, man, so we got that all. Jellied. That's my Atlanta coming out, y'all. Jellied. That's how they be talking. Hey, little shout, man. How we do over here, man? Hey, you know what I mean? Jellied. Yeah. Y'all caught that? Did you guys catch that?
Yes, we did.
Okay. Just like that. What that mean, ma?
I have no idea.
Just like that. Just like that. You gotta run it all in together.
Yeah,
Hey.
I don't speak
Atlanta
Ebonics.
Ebonics 101. Hey, little shawty. Hey, pad that over there. Yes. If you don't mind, can you reach around and grab that and give it to me? Hey. Ma, like, I don't know what that is. What are you talking about? Then look at the gear on that thing. The gear on that thing still good. You know what I mean? Ain't chewed up. Oh, hold on, Ma. You in focus now?
Yeah, I'm in focus.
Make sure you're in focus, Ma. Come on, camera lady. Yeah, that gear straight. I gotta lock this out up here, so I gotta take these off, take them screws off. But we're gonna get into that another day, you know what I mean? I don't feel like doing it right now. I just wanted to do that part. Might as well go and take the carburetor off, because that's got to come out too. You know, we got the new car sitting over there on the side. So, you know what I mean? Fuel going to be going through that thing like, that's my flowing mode. You did. You did. Now I can kind of like work alone. You did. I'm hoping. I'm going to have to call my assistants out here to help me. 1 or 2 things and say, mother-in-law, grab that pipe. Grab that sawzall. Cut that side. You know what I mean? Mom, you gonna cut the pipes?
Yeah, I cut them.
You gonna cut them?
I cut them.
Hey, look. Hey, you know what? That's what we're gonna get on the film, y'all. We're probably gonna try to do it, not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how long I got the mother-in-law here in town. You know what I mean? She'll be hooking and booking. You know what I mean? She'll come today and leave tomorrow. She'll be like, Mom, where you going? And I'm going back home. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see, man. If we got her, we're gonna let mother-in-law cut the pipes. And use the sawzall, you know what I mean? And let her hack up on Betty Whyte. Alright. So, based off the videos, all I got to do. You see, you good, you good. Take this piece off.
Those got something to do with it too.
Yeah, those the springs and what you call. That's why I bought this hook joint. One of the dudes.
Oh, those are good to have right there, man.
Yeah, this was only $1.99. That's when I saw it. I said, well, I'm just gonna buy them. Y'all see it? So we gotta take these to so my man, when he did it, his springs went flying everywhere. So I'm gonna try to do this without that joint. Oh, it's already in there. Just like that, supposed to come off. And this one's supposed to come out too. Damn. Alright, so now I can take this out too. I need to keep this.
Yeah, don't lose that. That was a 10?
9. Alright, and then the punch, we gotta punch this down here. That right there. Gotta punch it out.
It's coming. Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Alright, now with that being said, vice versa. Oh, we gotta take these weights off. Just leave that right there. I said, take these weights off. So, then this top part, you see where that spring, you see how it rotates?
Yeah.
So, they say as you pull it up, like this, flip it, and drop it down in there.
And that's locked out?
Now it's locked down, because now it won't span like this one.
What?
Has a span.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
That's it. That's why it says like 5-10 minutes. And then that's it. Now vice versa, we go back and stick everything back
That's
in.
it? Yeah, like that?
Just like that. And then none of this stuff, the only thing that go back on is the pin. This to lock it back down in place up under here. Goes back on, which I'm gonna spray this with some WD too.
That's it?
And then now it'll be rotating when I set it at 34 degrees,
Yeah.
it'll be rotating 34 degrees through the entire curve. Instead of it expanding and opening up now, it won't do that no more. Shoot, y'all done missed all the fun. You know what I mean? Tighten it back down. It's completely locked out now. Ain't take that long, what you think, King?
That shouldn't take long at all.
Pretty simple and quick. Except for that little pin, that little dial pin thing, the hardest thing. And there we go. It done.
Damn, just like that.
All on one spin, all in rotation. Ooh.
That's pretty dope.
So now we just put the cap back on and that's it, we done. Distributor ready to go. Oh, actually I can't put the cap back on. Cause I need this to tell where top dead center is.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, that's dope. Just like that.
Just like that. Alright.
Alright.
Alright, man. So we done with that, man. You did. Homie came through again. Help your boy out. Yeah, he like, dang!
Yeah, that was dope.